Good morning. Today we will be covering the market updates dated the 24th of June 2022. Indian indices opened on June 24th with Nifty above 15,600 on the back of positive global cues in contrast to previous close at 15,556.65 and is currently hovering around 15,650.30 to 15,749.2. The SENSEX was up by 526.66 at 52,654.24 points in contrast to the previous day at 52,265.72 and is currently in the range around 52,586.97 to 52,909.87. Noida-based merchant commerce platform Pine Labs has said today that it is acquiring Bengaluru-based API infrastructure startup Satu. This is Pine Labs' third acquisition announcement for the year. With their APIs being utilized by startups, retail businesses, banks, insurance companies, and loan organizations, among other industry verticals, Satu has witnessed considerable demand for their products throughout the years. Satu's current and future use cases span a variety of digital ecosystems, including BBPS bill payment, payment collection integration through WhatsApp, FASTag payment collection, and more. Electronics manufacturing services company Foxconn chairman on Thursday met Vedanta Group's managing director to discuss the roadmap of their proposed electronic chip manufacturing plant and its location. Vedanta and Foxconn had signed a memorandum of understanding in February to form a joint venture company in India. Vedanta will hold 60% of the equity in the JV, while Foxconn will own 40%. Vedanta is planning to invest around $15 billion in a phase-wise manner over the next 5 to 10 years to build displays and semiconductor chips in India. GMR Power and Urban Infra on Wednesday said it has acquired 100% stake in GMR Green Energy Private Limited from GMR Solar Energy Private Limited. GMR Green Energy was incorporated in 2022 with the objective to pursue opportunities in the green energy business. It is yet to commence commercial operations. The company has acquired the entire 50,000 equity shares of GGPL at face value of 10 rupees each for an aggregate cash consideration of 5 rupees lakh on June 21, 2022. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for being patient and listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel for the latest updates in the market. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.